New package arrived for my R1 project. Order some gold 15mm clip-ons for my Yamaha R1 that I'm building. Got this ones from China, and they actually took probably like 10 days to get here. Paid $29. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of them and then show you the quality and go from there. Just basic packaging. This is the tubes, and this is the things, the clip-on. So basically, so this one is the tube. I mean the clip-on, the pinch bolts. I think the quality looks really nice. I think it's gonna match my design of the bike that I'm gonna be doing. I think they're pretty cool. They're actually cheap. $29. That's a pretty good deal. And I was gonna buy the original clip-on for the Yamaha R1, but it was too expensive. It was like, for a used one, it was like I think $60, no, $50, and for a new one it was like $100. So I'm not gonna spend all that money. I can probably spend it on something else, like little add-ons for the bike. And if I end up buying these ones, I think it's a pretty good deal. This is the bar itself. This is a cap. I think this thing comes off. Basically this goes like that. The other one fits same. I think they probably go like this. Shit, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna figure it out right now when I install them. So yeah, basically this is the clip-ons. I think they're pretty cool, pretty cheap for both of them, and I think it's gonna look good on the bike. So especially because that's it's gold, so it's gonna look dope. And yeah, so this is the clip-ons. Then next video I'm gonna show you how the bike is looking, and go from there. And probably new packages that I order arrive soon this week, and I do some more videos. So thanks for watching. I think if you want to buy something, I mean, you can get them from eBay or Amazon for $30. You cannot go wrong, and it's gonna add a nice look to your bike. So give it a shot and then go from there. Thanks.